Good afternoon, guys. Today we're working on 2014 DM 428i 2.0 turbo. This vehicle, the customer complained, running rough, check engine light came on. Okay, let's see, confirm the customer complaint. I will start the engine. As you can see, the check engine light came on right there, confirm the customer complaint. Also, you look at the RPM idle, seems like a little rough. I feel the engine shaking. Okay, anyway, let's run the code and see what we see, and we go from there. Yeah, let me run our module and see what we see from there. Oh yeah, too fast, huh? Okay guys, let the car access system blah blah blah. I don't care about that. And as you can see, engine control module, meter control, fuel air meter, 2 lean, distillation, second cove, 001 meter control, fuel air meter, 2 lean, air too high, and fuel air meter too weak. What they mean, 2 lean and then 2 lean and 2 weak. And you can see all here the intermediate problem. And okay, what I would like to do before I clear all the fault codes, I will take the picture first, and at least I know these. I can read it when I need it. Okay, now I can clear all the settings and all the fault code on all the module here. Come on. Why this time not too fast no more? Yeah, it's okay. Complete. Okay guys, on the, you can see right here, engine control module normal. Okay, good news for this, I mean the fault code is not on the electrical side, and something here like right at the mirror heat. Oh man, I don't care about the mirror right there, the right side, right? Okay. And central for memory full, no control unit for. Okay, anyway, I want to go to engine control module. I'm putting okay, put the data stream, an April and something else. Charger set to P4, throttle valve, charger factor before throttle valve. Yeah, I think that's all. Let me see. Oxygen sensor before catalytic converter voltage. Which one to be? Oxygen can after kind. Okay, that's it, I think. Okay, let's start the engine again. Let me go back and give you the engine speed. You guys remember it has a Mac airflow sensor for cold, and okay, let me go under the hood and see what we fry from there. Okay guys, here under the hood, as you can see, the engine is running and vibration like that. As you can see on the connector, like that. Okay, and as you can see on the Mac airflow, right now it's 12 kilogram per hour at 10, 13. Sorry for flare. Anyway, 14, 13. Why they change too much like that? I don't know if it's the Mac airflow wire here. Oh. Okay, look at there. Oh man, look like I found the problem, guys. As you can see, look at it right now. Yeah, let me get the light and you guys can see. Here guys, as you can see, the air hose after the Mac airflow sensor, it completely came off. Let me put my hand back and see how the engine, yeah. You can see the engine shaking now. Like that. And look on the scan again. And we will go back. Oh, still there. The check engine light came right back. Clear again. No. Leave the fog coat. No fog coat right now. And what happened, I want to do, yeah, we can scan right there. Yeah, I will pull this hose out like where it was. And let's see, leave the coat again. Still no fog coat. Let me grab the engine. See, but now the check engine light not on yet. Fog out again. Still no fog. photo with the data stream airflow. Now it's set. Right now it's set. The holes that I put. Oh yeah, I put it back. Oh no, it is not. Yeah, let's just stay out like that. Yeah, you guys see? Yeah, I think the check engine light came back right now. Not yet. And we on the scan 2. Sure. Yeah, come back right back, guys. Okay, that's it. Let me turn off the camera and put this hook back in. I don't know the reason why it came up like this. Maybe this vehicle been in did something before. And then some mechanic forgot to tight the clamp and the car operated for a while and it came off. But anyway, I don't like the Mac airflow sensor wire. It goes this way, too tight right here, guys. Yes, I already put the hose back, reclaim it. Everything should be good now. The Mac airflow sensor wire seems to be okay. I go back in the scan 2 and the ball coat still there. Let me go back and now clear it. Complete, re again. Let me know. Data spin. I put 3 on the Mac airflow only. Yeah, 0 kilogram right now. Let's start the engine. See how smooth it is. Yeah, the sound like smooth to me. Right now the engine RPM at 1000 RPM and at 22 kilogram per hour. 21 RPM will drop down. The engine RPM. Yeah, drop to 800. Yeah, go back to 14. Take for a while and then read the code again to see. Let me go back to see the engine temperature, cooling temperature. Yeah, the coolant at 158 now, guys, and as you can see the RPM dropped to 7 something, 6 something, yeah, 700. That's normal. And the Mac airflow at 10-11 kilogram per hour. And let's take for a while and see if the second engine light came back on or not. I think it fits a problem, easy fit. In this case, maybe the vehicle owner, they changed the air filter by engine air filter by themselves, and then they forgot to clamp that hose back, and even when it drop off like that, They don't even know this is when like why something wrong. The check engine light came back on. Check engine light came on and bring to the mechanic. Okay guys, after put the air hose back, reclamp it and reconnect the Mac airflow sensor and put on the right way like this and run the engine for a while. Until now I don't see any shaking, everything's in the engine idle smooth and run like normal. Let's go inside the car and we can see on the dashboard no check engine light, the RPM at operating temperature, and I can even see the engine temperature almost 200 degrees now, and the RPM around 7,000 RPM, and the Mac airflow sensor measure as almost 9 something, yeah, kilogram per hour. And I think that's normal, and I think this fit the problem. Let me go back and read the code again. Yeah, no fault code. Okay, that's it guys, easy fix. When you have your own vehicle, same model like this, be careful. You can easily get the engine air filter from the auto parts store, local store, and just pay and bring home. But before you guys change it, be careful because the Mac airflow sensor is attached to the top of the air filter box. Of course, when you remove the air filter, you have to remove the top cover and the top of the box, air filter box, and you have to loose that clamp, and then you okay to do that. But after you put the new engine air filter, you have to remember to tighten it back before you see the mechanic. That's it guys, thanks for watching, see you guys next time, bye bye, easy fix.